I have a spinal cord injury at C5, C6, and recently I've been implanted by a brain-spine interface. Here's an example. I can start the stim with my brain. I can talk while doing it. It's freedom, which I didn't have before.
A spinal cord injury interrupts the communication between the brain and the region of the spinal cord that produces walking, leading to paralysis. Here we enabled an individual with chronic tetraplegia to stand and walk naturally in community settings by restoring this communication with a digital bridge that converts thoughts into actions. This brain-spine interface consists of fully implanted recording and stimulation systems that establish a direct link between cortical signals and the analog modulation of epidural electrical stimulation of the spinal cord. Spatial, temporal, and spectral features are extracted from the raw signals by continuous wavelet transform. The brain features are fed into a two-layer decoding algorithm that predicts the intended movement of each joint and the related amplitude of the movement. A hidden Markov layer ensures the stability and robustness of predictions. This adaptive algorithm enables real-time and iterative calibration to control up to 6 different leg movements.
The most surprising thing, I think, happened after 2 days. Within 5 to 10 minutes, I could control my hips. The brain implant picked up what I was doing with my hips, so that was like the best outcome, I think, for everyone. The difference between STIMO and the BSI is, with STIMO I make a small movement to trigger an event. With the BSI I think about the movement, so I can maintain my leg in the air, I can make turns with it, it's much easier. So the big difference is that my brain controls the stimulation. And I think from this point I can really build functional things from it. So just an example, I'm training 10 years to stand up with a friend having a beer. And that's something I think people don't realize. I would always say that it's the best opportunity you can get if you're having like a spinal cord injury, and if I would meet somebody that really is motivated, I would say then go for it.